Hi there, Casey Healey, Managing Director here at Century 21 Novocastrian, back with this week with Nicole, our Business Development Manager, with our market update, what's happening in the investment market, investment space, and how can we keep you up to date on what's going on with what's happening on the ground here in the Newcastle and Lake Macquarie market. Let's jump straight into our numbers from last week and what's happened in the last 7 days. We've received 380 tenant inquiries. That's an uplift from 232. We've scheduled 13 inspections, an increase of 4 from the previous week. Applications received has gone up to 94, so there's about 10 extra applications there. And properties leased was 5 this week. Vacancy rate's currently sitting at 0.21%. So there's not a lot of properties for lease at the moment. We've got 3 vacant properties. We've got 8 properties on the rental list, so 3 of which are currently vacant. So stock's down. It's a really small number of properties compared to the size of our rent roll. That's what's happening on the ground in leasing. Nick, let's talk investor tips.
Yeah, so I've got, for those investors out there that we haven't actually, or I haven't spoken to, I actually work really closely with investors, and over the last couple of weeks, I've actually noticed some questions coming through in regards to renovations and what I should be spending. So I've just got 6 tips for investors just to maximise those renovation rewards and not overcapitalising when going in and doing a renovation on your property. So one thing is to keep it cosmetic. So maintaining the aesthetics of the property is really crucial. So a fresh coat of paint, the landscaping, some minor repairs, those things will actually go a long way in attracting the right tenant for your property. Next thing, draw up a budget and stick to it. I think it's so easy to go out of that budget scope when you are working, and you've got to have the eyes, I suppose. As an investor coming in, it's not your dream home, it's not your property that you're going to live in, so you need to do what you need to do to get the property presented well, and that's what I'm here for, to come and be, I suppose, that level head to help you guide through on what we need for the tenant. Identify and satisfy the market. So understanding the market a little bit, we'll work you really closely with that as well, making sure that we're maximising your returns on the investment.
Know who your target market is when doing these type of things. So if you're generally looking for families, target things that are going to appeal to families. So backyards, entertaining spaces, second living spaces, really low maintenance, but those type of things for families, where if you're looking at younger, maybe couples, you really want low maintenance. They're not looking for the extra weekend garden care to maintain a property.
Yeah. Also look at your renovations for profit, not for pleasure. So that's probably just step back into what I was mentioning before. You don't want to overindulge on those things that we would have in our own home. And put your plan into action. So have your plan, have your budget, and stick to that plan while you're going through. So you want to make sure those plans align with when the property is available. We want to minimise your vacancy on that property. So you want to get in and be really strict to that plan. Yeah, so basically by following those principles, we can help you optimise the maximum returns on your property. We're here to guide you through that process, and please reach out. Like, if I can sit down with you, have a chat, whether that be Zoom, face-to-face if you're local, but it'd be great for me to be able to help you through that journey.
That's all from us this week. If you've got questions in relation to your investment property, how to maximise your returns, how to get the best tenants, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to have a conversation and get the ball started. Bye.
Bye.